Good morning, class 10th. So in exercise 5.2 we done question number 5. I think question number 5 we already done. Now question number 6 I given at that time as homework. That check whether minus 150 is a term of an AP 11852. In AP is given and minus 150 you have to take as an AN, and the value of A is 11 and the D is 8 minus 11 is minus 3. So like that only, if the value of n is coming in fraction, that the value does not exist. I think we already discussed that thing. And if the n value is coming in the natural number, then the value of n is exist. Now question number 7th we have to do. Now question number 7th is what? Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11 term is 38 and 16 term is 73. 31st term we have to find. A31 we have to find. A31. Okay. And whose 11th term, A11 is 38. A11 means what? It is A plus 10D is 38, and this is your equation 1. And 12th term is 106. No, 16th term is 73. 16th term is 73, or we can write A plus 15D is equals to 73. This is the equation number 2nd. Now solve equation 1 and 2. By elimination method we can apply here that A plus 10D is equals to 38 and A plus 15D is equals to 73. Then minus minus minus, it will cancel. Okay. Now 10 minus 15 is minus 5D. Then 38 in minus 73, answer come in minus only, that 73 minus 38 we will do. Okay, that 373 and 38, 10, 11. It will be 35. Okay, and minus minus cancel. So D is equals to 35 upon 5 and it is 7. So the value of D is 7. Now we have to find the value of A also. So it is given that A plus 10D. Now put in any equation, in this or in this, it's your choice. I will put in this. A plus 10D is equals to 38. Now A plus 10, D value is what? 7 is equals to 38. Then A plus 70 is equals to 38. Then A is equals to 38 minus 70. Then A is equals to 40, 50, 60, 70, 32 minus 32. So the value of A is minus 32 and the value of D is 7. Now we have to find the 31st term. Okay, I will rub this one. We have to find 31st term. So 31st term is what? A plus 30D. The value of A is minus 32 plus 30D is what? 7. Then minus 32, 7 3 is 210. And now 210, that minus 32, that 10 minus 2, it will be 8. Then 210 minus 32, 10 minus 2, 8. Yes? Okay. 10 minus 3, 7, 178. 178. So this is the answer of question number 7th. And question number 8th. 8th one. Question 8th. 8th is an AP consists 50 terms, means total terms are 50. Okay. In which third term is 12. Means A3 is given 12. we can write a plus 2d is equals to 12 also, equation first. And last term an, last term means an is given 106. Okay, and find the 29th term. Find the 29th term. A29 we have to find. Now one thing is that how many terms are there total? N is 50. So the value of n is what? It is what? 50. A50 is given 106 and A50 is what? A plus 49D is equals to 106, and this is your equation number second. Now solve first and second same as the previous question. Find the value of A and D, and after that find 29 term. 29 term means what? A plus 28D, and you will get the answer. A very easy question is there. 8th one. Now 9th. If the third term and the 9th term of an AP is given 4 and minus it, which term of an AP is 0? A good question is there, this one. If the third and 9th term of an AP, A3 is given 4 and 9th term minus 8. Okay, it will be A plus 2D is 4 and A plus 8D is minus 8. So now apply the elimination method in both the equation. Minus minus, it will be minus, it will be plus. 2 minus 8 is minus 4D. 4 plus 8 it will be 12, so D value is minus 3. 12 divided by 4 is minus 3. Now find the value of A. A plus 2D is 4 given. Now D value is minus 3. Then A value is 10. The value of A is 10 and D is minus 3. Now which term of AP is 0? The question is saying which term. I will take as AN will be 0. We don't know the term. AN will be, I take as a 0 term. Now, what is the formula of AN? A plus N minus 1 D is equals to 0. The value of A is what? 10 plus N minus 1 D is what? Minus 3 is equals to 0. 10 now multiplied inside minus 3n, minus minus will be plus 3 is equals to 0. Then 10 plus 13. Wait. By mistake I done. 2 minus 8 is minus 6. Okay. And here it will become minus 2. And here also minus 2. Then 2 2s are 4. Then A will be 8. By mistake I done this one. So now the value of changed A and D. A value is 8 and D value is minus 2. Now 8 minus 2n and plus 2 is equals to 0. And 8 plus 2, 10. 2n will be shift there. 2 divided by 10, 5. So the value of n is what? 5. Fifth term is the 0th term. Now question number 10th. The 17th term of an AP exceeds the 10th term by 7. The 17th term of an AP, 17th term of an AP exceed means minus, okay, exceed the 10th term by 7. 10th term by means is equals to, we can write 7. This we can write, okay. Now what is the 17th term? What we can write? A plus 16D minus, find the common difference. Question is saying that. And A10 is what? A plus 9d is equals to 7. A plus 16d minus a and minus 9d, 7. 16 minus 9 is 7d is equals to 7, and d is equals to 7 divided by 7. Answer is 1. A easy question is there. Now 11th question. The last question for the today class, question number 11th. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow we complete the exercise. Question number 11th is, which term of an AP? AP is given that 3, 15, 27 and 39. Which term of an AP will be 132 more than its 54 term? Okay, first I will find the AN. What is the AN? A plus n minus 1 D. A is 3 plus n minus 1. D is what? 15 minus 3? 12. So 3 plus 12n minus 12. Now 12n, 3 minus 12 is minus 9n. Wait. 12n, 3 minus 12 is minus 9. So this is your AN. Now the question is saying that which term of an AP? I will take as AN will be the term of an AP will be 132 more than its 54 term. Now see this condition. Which term of an AP? AN will be the term. Will be means it is equals to 132 more than its 54th term. Which term of an AP will be 132 more than its 54th term? So AN value is what? 12n minus 9. Is equals to 132 plus, now 54, what we can write? 54, A 54. A plus 53D. Now what is the value of A and D? We have to put 12n minus 9 is equals to 132 plus A value is what? 3 plus 53. The value of D is 15 minus 3, 12. So 12n minus 9 is equals to 132 plus 3 is 135. Now plus 53 into 12. That we have to do 53 into 12. 3 2s are 6, then 5 2s are 10, then 3 and 5, 630. 636, sorry, 613, 636. Now 12n, now shift that 9, 135 plus 636 plus 9, 12n, now add all these numbers, 636 plus 135 plus 9, that 9 plus we have to do 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 6, 20, 2 will be carry, then 3 and 3, 6, 7, 8 and 780. So n will be 780 divided by 12. In the table of 12, 780 will come. Okay, we can cut by the 12, 6 is 72. Let's see, wait, 65 term. Question answer is 65. Minus 9. I think answer comes as a fraction. 132 more than its 54th term. Equation is, wait a minute. A plus 53D, 132 plus A is 3. 3 plus 53D is 15 minus 3, 12. 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10, and 3 and 5, 6, 3, 6. Okay. 780 only. Okay, we cut by the table of first 6. 6 2s are 12, 6 1s are 6, then 6 3s are 18, 0, then 2 1s are 2, 6 are 12, 2 5s are 6. Okay, n value is 65. So this is the answer, this is the value of n. Now the remaining question we will discuss in the next class. Thank you all of you.